Now we will do exercise 5.2 question number 2. In question number 2, here we have to simplify. Question number A, 2 by 3 whole to the power 5 divided by 2 by 3 whole to the power 4 into 2 by 3 whole to the power 3. This one we have to simplify. By using laws of exponent, we can simplify easily. This one sum. Now here 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Here base the 2 by 3 and here division sign and multiplication sign, two sign are there. But in lower class we have already discussed, first we have to divide, then we multiply. Therefore this one, these two term, first we take. If it is division sign is there and base are same, then exponent we have to subtract. Therefore 2 by 3 whole to the power 5 minus 4 into 2 by 3 whole to the power 3. This one is equal to 2 by 3 whole to the power 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 into 2 by 3 whole to the power 3. Now base are same, multiplication sign is there. That's why exponent will be what? 8. First we use x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n, and secondly we will use this one into x to the power n, then we have to 8 m plus n. Therefore here this one is equal to 2 to the power 2 by 3 to the power 1 plus 3, that means 2 by 3 whole to the power 4. This one answer we can write like this way also, we can simplify also. If 2 to the power 4 means we have to multiply 2 4 times, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, then 16 will come, and 3 4 times if we multiply, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. We can write the answer 16 by 81 also. Why? Because this one, this 2 to the 2 by 3 whole to the power 4 means this one x by y whole to the power m means what? X to the power m, y to the power n, m. This way, this one we can write what? 2 to the power 4 by 3 to the power, this one we can write 2 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4, that means answer is equal to this one. You can write this one answer or this one, both the answer you can write. Next one, B. In B, question is 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0. We know x to the power 0. X to the power 0 means 1. Means anything to the power 0 means 1. Therefore 3 to the power 0 means 1 plus 4 to the power 0 means 1 plus 5 to the power 0 means 1. Therefore if we add, then we will get 3. Our answer is 3. So easy, no? Next question number C. This one 6 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 0 plus 6 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0 divided by 5 to the power 0. In this sum, first we have to remove the bracket. After that we divide, then we multiply, then we subtract. This one sum will solve like this way. 6 to the power 0 means 1 plus 1. This one means 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 1, because we know that anything to the power 0 is equal to 0 means 1. We use this one properties. Now 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 divided by 1. First we have to divide. Therefore 2 into 1 plus 2 divided by 1 means 2. This means 2 into 1 means 2, 2 plus 2, therefore our answer is 4. Next one, D. Here base are same, multiplication sign is there. That's why this one will be what? Minus 1 by 3 whole thing to the power 2 plus 3 divided by this one minus 1 by 6 whole thing to the power 2 plus 3. Now minus 1 by 3 whole thing to the power 5 and divided by minus 1 by 6 whole thing to the power 5. Here base are different but powers are same. That's why we can use this one, x to the power m divided by y to the power m means x to the power m by y to the power m means we can write x by y whole thing to the power m. This one properties we can use in this sum. That means here minus 1 by 3 divided by minus 1 by 6 whole thing to the power 5. Now we can simplify this one. This one means minus 1 by 3. If we put multiplication sign, then we have to write the reciprocal minus 6 by 1 whole thing to the power 5. Now minus minus plus will come and 3 if we cancel then it will be 2. That means this one 2 to the power 5. Why positive? Because minus minus plus 2 to the power 5, or we can write what? 2 if we multiply 2 5 times then 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Therefore our answer is 32. Next question number E. Question number E, here given minus 7 square whole thing to the power 3 into 1 by minus 7 square whole thing to the power 3. Now we simplify. This one means minus 7 whole thing to the power 2 into 3 into 1 by minus 7 whole thing to the power 2 into 3. We will use which one property? X to the power m to the power n is equal to x to the power m into n. Therefore this one is equal to minus 7 whole thing to the power 6 into 1 by minus 7 whole thing to the power 6. Now here this one minus 7, this one numerator, this one denominator, directly we can cancel. Okay, this one is equal to 1. Therefore our answer is 1. You can use exponent also, but this one process is lengthy. That's why you can cancel this one and we will get the answer 1. Next question number F. 2F. Here 4 to the power 7 into 4 to the power 8 into this one we can write 4 to the power minus 9, because we know that x to the power 1 by x to the power m is equal to x to the power minus m, and another minus 1 by x to the power minus m is equal to x to the power m. These two properties you can remember. Now here in place of this one 1 by 4 to the power minus m minus 1 by 4 to the power 9, we can write 4 to the power minus 9. Therefore 4 to the power here base are same and all are here base are same and multiplication sign is there. That's why we have to add the power 7 plus 8 plus minus 9. That means 4 to the power 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 minus 9 plus minus minus 9. Now 4 to the power what? 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. You can write 4 to the power 6 also, or you can multiply say 4 6 times and write the answer. This way also, this one also correct. Okay. Next this one, 3 to the power 9 into 1 by 3 to the power 24. This one you can do easily. Okay, like f, and remaining h is equal to 2 minus 2 to the power 6 whole thing to the power 2. This one also you can do. We have already done this type of sum, and this one also, this type of sum we have already done. That's why this one j I h and this one g. That means these four sum g h I j you can do as a homework. Thank you.